This isn't just about blacksmithing, it's about veterans getting together and enjoying themselves. What we do here is, we give veterans an opportunity to swing a hammer and be creative, be able to make things, whether they're interested in blacksmithing or bladesmithing, or just giving them an opportunity to network as well. We anticipate anywhere from 60 to 100 veterans total to come through. So right now we have, including my shop, 3 affiliate forges here. We're teaching the veterans blacksmithing, starting with the fundamentals. Some people have been here before. Some people, this is their 3rd year being here. Others, this is their first time. But more than anything, it's just a really good escape for veterans to come and learn and hang out and grow. The craft, the art is very much important. There's a lot of knowledge and expertise that goes into it, from shaping to heat treating and a wide variety of other things in between. My masterpiece right there.